Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA45. I'm going to show you how to reset the service A, service B light after an oil change or after a service performed. So for that, we're going to use the ignition button right over here, home button, and the OK button. So first thing we're going to do is press the ignition button one time only. Make sure all your doors are closed and the hood is closed as well. Next thing, depending, like on the previous year you had to be on a certain screen. This one you can be on any mode, sports, super sports, doesn't matter. So we're gonna press and hold the home button for 8 seconds, let it go, and then we're gonna press and hold the OK button for 5 seconds and let it go. So press and hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go, and then you're in the workshop menu. Over here we're gonna go down, assist plus, press OK. Now we're gonna press the ignition one more time. Make sure you have your foot off the brake pedal. Then we're gonna press OK, go down, full service, confirm service, and make sure you select yes. I'm not gonna do it because I just reset the service. But once you press yes, it'll acknowledge and the light will be reset. So very simple procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.